Hello guys, I'm going to tell you how to add this bot into your Chrome. So press open new tab here and click these three dots. Then you can see extensions and click manage extensions. Then you will see this window and you can see in the right corner developer mode. Please switch that button. And you can see here load unpack. Click that and I will send you this kind of zip file. Unzip that one and click it, then click select button. Okay, then again come to the Quotex site and reload that page. Then you can see bot is there, and when you click it you have to sign up. So add your Quotex trade ID and click login button, and please wait until close this dialog box. Maybe it will take few seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds. Yeah, it's like that. When close this button, again click on the bot and enter how much you have to put for one trade, only single trade. Please take that to the 100%, and if OTC markets are open in your browser, then tick that OTC trading and martingale steps, 2 or 3 steps, it's depend on you, and start robot. And open more than 5-6 currency pairs, and for the live market accuracy is more than 95%, and for the OTC it's 85 to 89%.